Meaning of Edna St Vincent Millay.
Edna St Vincent Millay.
Edna St Vincent Millay.
Edna St Vincent Millay.
Edna St Vincent Millay. Edna St Vincent Millay was an American poet and playwright born in 1892. She was a prominent voice in the literary scene of the 1920s and known for her unconventional lifestyle and feminist beliefs. Her works often explored themes of love, sexuality, and death, and her poetry was marked by its lyrical quality and technical precision. Millay won the Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1923 and was the first woman to receive this honor. She remains a highly regarded figure in American literature.